Hello everyone. In today's video, we're into a quick but essential tweak for Windows 11, how to turn off mouse acceleration. If you're a gamer or just someone who values precise and consistent cursor movement, disabling mouse acceleration can make a big difference. To start, open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or simply pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard for a quick shortcut. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the sidebar and click on Bluetooth and Devices. From here, select Mouse to access the relevant options. Now scroll down until you see the related settings section and click on Additional Mouse Settings. This will open a new window called Mouse Properties where we'll make the critical change. In the Mouse Properties window, go to the Pointer Options tab. Here you'll find an option labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. This feature is essentially mouse acceleration, and it's what we're here to disable. Simply uncheck the box next to this option to turn it off. Finally, click Apply to save your changes and then hit OK to close the window. Congratulations, you've now turned off mouse acceleration in Windows 11. And that's it. Disabling mouse acceleration ensures smoother and more predictable cursor movements, perfect for gamers and productivity enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.